In this video, I will show you how to change group name on Discord. First of all, open the Discord application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on its home screen, tap on the messages icon available at top left corner. This will take you to the messages section where all your chats, including private DMs and group chats, are listed. Scroll through your chat list and find the group chat you want to rename. By default, Discord assigns the group name based on the usernames of the members in it. If you haven't set a custom name before, you will see a combination of usernames as the current group name. To change it to any of your own choice, once you are within the group, tap on the current group name available at the top of the screen. On the next screen, tap on the three dots icon at top right corner. A drop-down menu will appear from the bottom of the screen. Tap on the Customize Group option available here. On the next screen, you will see the group name option. In the field available below it, your current group name will appear. Remove this one and add a new name. Then tap on the Save Changes option. Your new group name will be saved. You can go back and check the new name, and this is how you can change group name on Discord.